The question of who gets the house in the divorce, of course, comes up in every divorce where there is a house. I can tell you as an attorney of some 35 years experience that in most divorce cases, as soon as the experienced attorney hears the circumstances of the couple getting divorced, within 5 minutes, that attorney knows how the case is going to turn out. Unfortunately, the matrimonial bar has a habit of exacerbating these cases, of exacerbating conflict, in my opinion, of dragging these divorces out much longer than necessary so that a vast amount of money is spent on legal fees. But the reality is, for most middle-class couples in New York who own a house together and get divorced, the house, once the children are up and out of the house is sold, and whatever proceeds are left after the sale are divided evenly between the parties. That's not a hard and fast rule because there are different circumstances. Sometimes one spouse bought the house and owned it for years before they got married and the other spouse moved in. But in a typical situation where there was a family and a house and they got divorced, the house is divided like all other assets. The custodial parent often will remain in the house with the children. I just want to emphasize, it's not a hard and fast rule, but you see enough cases over time, you can tell when you sit down with the parties the first time how it's going to turn out. And it's kind of a difficult question to give an answer that covers every situation, but that's the general situation.